Hello mga moms, good morning. Andito nga pala kami yun sa GP dahil pinapacheck up namin si Artemis dahil 3 days na nga siyang hindi not feeling well. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman sa kanyang mukha na para talagang ang tamlay niya. Walang ka-energy. Nag-observe lang siya sa mga tao na dumadating at umuwi. Buti na lang si Artemis ay napaka-behave niya na bata. Hindi talaga siya nag-iiyak, especially in the public. Hindi siya nag-iiyak, hindi siya nag-tantrum. So, I'm so happy na behave si Artemis kahit na not feeling well siya. Ayan, so naghihintay lang kami kay Habibi na matapos niyang kausapin yung receptionist dahil nga nag-walk-in kami dahil hindi kami nakatawag kaagad na magpa-appointment. Usually dapat mga 8 pa lang tatawag ka na sa GP para magpa-schedule ng appointment pero hindi nga kami nakatawag kaya napagpasyahan namin na mag-walk-in na lang. And then after that, kinausap ng receptionist yung doktor na magti-check up ng Artemis. So sinabihan kami na ano na lang daw, balik lang daw kami mga 3:40 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, babalik kami mamaya para sa check up niya. Para lang makita kung ano bang nangyari sa kanya kasi wala siyang ubo. Yung ubo niya nawala na. Pero ang taas ng lagnat niya, and then ang runny nose niya din, medyo wala na din. So, hindi namin alam kung anong nangyayari sa kanya dahil umiiyak siya gabi-gabi at hindi siya nakakatulog dahil nga parang may sumasakit sa kanya at hindi namin alam. So, mas mabuti na ang doktor na talaga yung mag-check sa kanya at alam nila yung anong ma-advise nila, alam nila yung anong dapat namin gawin at 'di ba para dahil na-worried na din kami sa kanya dahil whole night talaga hindi siya hindi siya mapakali. So, yeah, hindi naman pwede na bigay lang tayo ng bigay ng medicine without any advice of the expertise, diba? So dapat talaga natin silang ipa-check up. So ayan, umuwi na lang kami dahil nga sinabihan kami na balik daw kami mga 3:40. Yan, so see you later.
The inquest is already done. Well, not the inquest, the autopsy is already done. We should have the results next week, which is normally toxicology. Yeah. Yes. If you just include it in the text. Okay, thanks very much for your help. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I'm just waiting till then. Okay. Good afternoon. How are you doing? Can I have a word with you, please? Yeah. Okay. Sometime ago we start here.
Stop crying now. We'll go downstairs now, okay?
Calm down now, okay? Yeah. Wait. Come here. Oh, try this one. Let's see if she will eat. Yeah.
Hi, Pig. The turtle lift is waiting for you. Let's go.
Finally.
Press the purple starfish tree out and slide.
Oh, well, I haven't got much energy at the moment. I feel like an old man. I thought some vitamins might help.
Is it because of us you feel like an old man?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's time to bed. Can you put
Also make me
Pig
feel
on
like
the
a
magic
young man.
wheel?
That doesn't make sense. How do we make you feel like an old man and a young man?
I don't know, but you find a way. Here we go.
What's that? What's that? Duck?
Time to play. Can you put
The chicken.
Hey, where'd you go? Lily, look, it's the terriers. Hey, the terriers. Hey. Mom, please, can we go home? This place smells like grandma.
Oh, Scarlet Bombshell.
press the purple starfish tree out?
Hi, terriers. Oh, look up. It's Winton. Oh, yeah. He's seen us too. Hi.
No, come here. What you doing? I just watched those.
Whoa, looks like she's in Glow Paradise.
Why you took them all from the dryer?
Close and Daddy watch. Bye.
Huh? Hey, why you took the clothes off? There's your clothes. Let's put them back.